This is the AI SEO License Manager. This plugin is responsible for connecting and managing the services used by the SEO Max suite. Here, you simply add your OpenAI API key, which is used by all SEO Max plugins installed on your website. Once the key is saved, every plugin in the suite will be able to access the AI engine. You can also test the connection to make sure the API key is working correctly. The License Manager centralizes this configuration, so you only need to set it once. This keeps the setup simple and ensures that all SEO Max plugins work together smoothly. Once connected, the entire SEO Max suite is ready to start generating and optimizing your SEO content. This is the SEO Max license activation page. Here, you can activate your license key to unlock the SEO Max modules on your website. Simply paste the license key you received after purchasing the plugin and click Activate License. Once activated, the license will be linked to your domain and all SEO Max plugins installed on this site will become fully available. You can also check the current license status at any time using the Check Status button. The License Manager ensures that your installation is properly authenticated and connected to the SEO Max system. Once your license is active, the full SEO Max suite is ready to help you plan, generate, and optimize your SEO content automatically.